Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I will go over 5 contraindications for massage, times when you should avoid a massage. We often talk about the benefits of massage and how it can reduce stress, ease muscle tension, and improve circulation. But there are situations where getting a massage can actually do more harm than good. Contraindications are important to know so you don't end up aggravating a condition. Massage contraindication number 1, fever or infection. If you have a fever, it's a clear sign that the body is fighting an infection, whether it's a cold, the flu, or something else. In this case, getting a massage can actually spread the infection faster because massage boosts circulation and lymphatic flow, and these are ways virus spreads inside your body. While increased blood and lymphatic flow is great when you're healthy, it can make things worse when you're fighting an illness. Not to mention, if you have something contagious, you can pass it on to your massage therapist or anyone else in the area of practice. I used to have clients at the spa who were sick and they just wanted to sweat it out, but please don't do that. If you're feeling under the weather or running a fever, it's best to skip that massage appointment, and please do so for yourself and others. Rest up and wait until you're back to 100%. Massage contraindication number 2, open wounds or skin conditions. Next we have open wounds, cuts, or certain skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or fungal infections. Massaging over open wounds can delay healing and increase the risk of infection. Plus, skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis can be sensitive, and friction from the massage could make things worse. Even though a massage can be done on other parts of the body, it's generally not a good idea to get one when you have any open skin issues. And again, you want to avoid spreading any infections both for yourself and your therapist. Massage contraindication number 3, deep vein thrombosis, DVT, also known as blood clot. Deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, is when a blood clot forms in a deep vein, usually in the legs. If someone has a blood clot, massaging the area could cause that clot to dislodge and travel through the bloodstream. This is a serious condition because if the clot breaks free, it can travel to the lungs, causing a pulmonary embolism, a potentially life-threatening situation. I used to massage an elderly man, but one day his leg was badly bruised, so I didn't touch it. Later, his nurse noticed that his leg was hot to the touch, and she suspected that he may have a blood clot. And she was right, he did have a blood clot in his leg, and I was so glad that I didn't massage his leg that day. If you suspect you have DVT or blood clot, or have been diagnosed with it, it's critical to avoid massage until you're cleared by a medical professional. Massage contraindication number 4, cancer, certain types. Cancer is a complex condition, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to massage therapy. There used to be some concern that massage could spread the cancer cells inside the body through the lymphatic system or bloodstream, but there's no credible evidence. For some cancer patients, gentle massage avoiding the affected area may be helpful in relieving pain and stress and improving psychological well-being. Look for a massage therapist who specializes in oncology massage for cancer patients, but it's always essential to get clearance from a healthcare provider first. Massage contraindication number 5, recent surgery or fractures. If you've recently had surgery or sustained a fracture, your body needs time to heal. While massage can help recovery after the healing process has started, it's usually not a good idea to get a massage too soon. After the surgery, once the scar is healed with no gaps or drainage, you can start a scar massage. Scar massage prevents the scars by loosening the tissues around the incisions so it doesn't get hard and raised and stick to the underlying tissues including muscles and bones. The last thing you want is to reopen the wound or put pressure on the fragile area to delay the healing process. Follow your doctor's advice and wait until you're fully recovered before considering massage therapy. Look for physical therapist, occupational therapist, or massage therapist who specializes in restore scar therapy massage if you want to minimize the scar appearance. So those are 5 key situations where you should avoid getting a massage. To recap, fever or infection, open wounds or skin conditions, deep vein thrombosis DVT aka black clot, certain types of cancer, recent surgery or fractures. Massage is an amazing tool for relaxation and healing, but as you can see, it's important to know when it's safe and when it's not. Always consult with your healthcare professional if you are unsure, and never hesitate to speak up with your massage therapist if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.